All right, boy Trigger Man back in the lab, and today what we have here, oh yeah, first off, you may be wondering what in the hell does Trigger Man have going on, and if you don't know, today is October 1st, and it is the first day of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this will be my attire for the entire month of October. I know a lot of us don't see eye to eye on a lot of things when it comes to painting, our methods, materials, getting our coverage in the first coat and whatnot. But one thing I'm sure that we all can agree on is to cancer, you know? And yeah, so for the entire month, you know, I will be rocking my pink, which I've always done for the past 18, 19 years. Every October, I rock pink throughout the month. Two things I love to do in October is wear pink, support cancer awareness, and sit home and binge watch horror movies. Drop in the comments right now. Don't wait till the movie starts. Drop in the comments right now your favorite horror character. Mine is Michael Myers, and you better not say Freddy Krueger, because he hits you while you're sleeping, so that he's just a bad dream, you know what I mean? But anyway, man, so yeah, and today what we're gonna do, man, going to float coat my personal car. A couple guys have been asking me about float coating, and I really don't do a whole lot of custom work to be float coating a lot of stuff, so, and probably I'll never get a chance to do it. So on my own vehicle, I painted this car on the channel a couple months back, so I figure I'll go ahead and do that. I only put 2 coats when I cleared it originally, so I did this with 800. You can use 600 or 800. I used 800 because I didn't want to burn through any of the edges and have to put all those different steps on here. If you watch the video of me painting it, you know, I used the base, this is Mazda 46V. I used the base, then I went over the base with a bronze pearl, and then after the bronze pearl, I went over it with the inner coat of clear with micro flake, and then clear coated it. So I didn't want to take a chance and burn through. You can use 600, you can use 800. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna use the A&I skull. Not that it's some spectacular gun to do this, it's just that for the past 4 or 5 videos you guys see, I've used this gun, so I already have it out. I already got the rhythm going with it, so I'm just gonna use this. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll just go ahead and put another 2 coats of clear on it, float coat, and we should be good. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up this clear, and we'll get to it. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it, giving a final tack. Tacked it off when I first got it in the booth, now I'm giving a final tack. Got my paint suit on. I need this sucker to come out clean because I do not want to wet sand and buff this sucker. So I didn't wet sand and buff the whole car up until this point. Yeah, man, you guys check out the video of me spraying the car. I'll leave a link at the end of the video just in case. It's a longer video. It's one of my longest videos. Then again, it's one of my biggest paint jobs of the channel. But yeah, I'll leave a link at the end. So, and on this, I start with the PSI at 2.3 bar. Bar to PSI. Let me see. What is that? Alexa, how many PSI is 2.3 bar?
2.3 bars is about 33.4 pounds per inch tube.
Okay, 33 PSI. That's what I'm spraying right here. On the A&I skull, 1.3 tip. Giving it an 80% overlap, real heavy overlap. Yeah, this is a 1.3. I'm using the clear cap. This gun comes with like 3 different caps: HVLP, water-based cap, and the clear cap. In my opinion, the clear cap sprays better than all the other caps, even for base. Like I've sprayed base with the clear cap, and it seems like for me, for solvent base, like it sprays perfect, you know. So I just leave the clear cap on there. And yeah, I really forgot how good that float coating makes your paint look, man. Like the depth You can see right through it. It almost looks like you want to jump and dive in it, man. Like, it's probably been 15, no, maybe more, 20 years maybe since I did a flow coat, an actual real flow coat. Yeah, man. But yeah, doing insurance work, you know, you don't have a use for it. Like, you never get a chance to really do that. But you know, that's why I pulled in my own vehicle. But man, like, even now as I'm doing this voiceover, this is days after I did the flow coat, and when I look at my hood, it's like, man, it's night and day. Night and day. Even though it didn't have a whole lot of orange peel, there wasn't much dirt, but it's like, when I look at my car right now at the hood, man, oof, it's night and day, man. Night and day. It almost got me thinking about flow coating the rest of the car, but you know, I'm not that car crazy to be doing all that. You know, man, Trigger Man got other stuff to do, you know. But it's amazing, man. If you wanna flow coat your car, do it. You know, if it's your own car, or you're doing custom work and you really want that depth and you want to look in that paint in like 3D, 4K, man, do it. It's night and day. I can't even explain it, man. It's night and day. Beautiful. And that's that Mazda 46V. Beautiful color already as it is. Yeah. Hey, and on there, I forgot I had the mic clipped to my shirt. I apologize for that, man. I know some people are sensitive. I apologize. All right. So this is what we're looking like out in the sun. This is what we're looking like out in the sun. Let it sit for 2 hours. That's what we're looking like there. So yeah, so that's basically it. That's a flow coat, nothing to it. Hit it with some 800, 600, and 2 or 3 coats of clear on it, and that's it. It gave you some good depth, you know. Came out pretty clean. I think I got 4 or 5 specks of micro dirt, which I haven't wet sanded and buffed the car to this point, and I probably ain't even gonna do it. So I'll just leave them. You know, I just wanted to spruce it up a little bit, have it looking good, but I'm not going crazy about it. It's no show car. My daily drive, I'm on the highway with it every day, so no big deal. Anyway, man, boy Trigger, out. Catch y'all in the next one. Boop. Yay. So that's what we're looking like, flow coat, 2 hours later. And like I said, man, today it's been like 3 days, 3-4 days since I flow coated it. And man, when I look at my hood right now, whew, it's night and day, man, night and day. Looking beautiful. But yeah, this your boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and please tell his girlfriend. Peace.